Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to see how we can split a particular string based upon certain condition, and then we will also see how we can join the string or any particular list of elements using a particular condition. So let's begin. So say suppose I have a string 1 which is S space U space P space E space R. So you see a pattern in it, that is a space after each character. And say for example I want to split this particular string by using a condition of space. So I want to split it on the basis of space. So what I want is a list of elements which has only the characters of the string and not the space. So what I will do is I will create another string 2, and then I will use the split function of Python on this string 1 that was earlier created, and then I will split it on the basis of a condition that is space. So inside the parenthesis, I will give two quotes with space in it, and this way I will execute it and I will check the string 2, and this gives me a splitted element in a list form. So we can alter it just to check, just to have more understanding how this happens is, like if I remove these spaces and I just put one particular comma and I want to split it on the basis of this comma, so this way I will get only two elements in the list, and I execute it. So I get only two elements because it is splitting on the basis of comma. So we have one string and this string, and these have been splitted. But for now, we will just keep it as is. And now I read on it and I get the string 2. And now we are going to again join the same string on the basis of same condition that I want them to be joined with spaces in between each character. So I will instantiate another variable string 3, and I will use the join function, and I will use quotes with space because I want to give space after each character, then dot, and I will use the join function. And on what I want to apply this join function, it's on string 2, and then I execute it, and then I will check my result, and it's the same back to string 1 that we started with. So I hope you guys get some understanding of split and join function, and this is very helpful in day-to-day tasks for data scientists and data analysts. I'll keep uploading such videos that will help you guys to overcome day-to-day errors and help you in day-to-day tasks. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Until next video, goodbye.